Can multiple people own a patent? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And welcome to our page all about inventorship and ownership. Can more than one inventor be on a patent? And the answer is yes, for sure. You can have co-inventors, 2, 3, 20. Most I've seen is about 5 or 6. That's a lot. If an inventor has contributed to what will become the claimed invention, they must actually, it's required to have them listed as a named inventor. What's cool is that individual inventors, co-inventors, own the whole patent. It's really kind of interesting. They own the ability to exploit, to make, use, sell, and import, to exclude that privilege from anyone that's not a named inventor. So it's as if they were a co-tenant. They own the right to the whole place if they're a named inventor. They own the right to use the whole invention, to make it, to sell it. So you want to make sure that all inventors are on the same page, and they don't always end up that way. One really cool way to avoid the situation, and you'll read below, is to make sure that the inventors are all assigning their invention, the ownership rights, to one business entity. That clarifies everything. In case inventors want to come and go, sell their rights, transfer, ditch the others, move on to the next invention or next business, there's no confusion in terms of who owns what. All the inventors assigned all of their rights to one business entity, and that can be controlled by managers, by owners, by an operating agreement, which is super vital. So I'll let you read through, make sure you understand, appreciate who owns the patent, what's the right process to go through, and how to limit your liability as an inventor that is sure to find out that maybe not all of the inventors that are co-inventors with you make good business partners for down the road. So take a look. If you have any questions, of course, please book the contact button above, a free discovery call, and learn more about what you can do to protect your rights as a co-inventor. Everybody have an awesome day, and go big, go bold.